I'm standing here in Villa Loyola, the countryside campus of Colegio San Pedro Claver. When I was studying here, I used to see this place as a place for special visits and hanging out with friends. But now coming here after graduating hits me different. Villa Loyola is not just a beautiful place, it's a full territory filled by land, trees, water, trails, birds, and even ecosystems that have a huge value for education. But this place also reveals problems that we cannot ignore. The first challenge is water. Even though Villa Loyola can take water from its natural environment, it cannot be always used directly. This water needs to be filtered, monitored, protected, and used responsibly. This teaches us that water is not granted, and schools need to learn how to use it properly. As you can see, due to our season, our main resources of water are dry. This is why rainwater harvesting is such an important part of our project. Collecting rainwater, filtering, studying it, and using it in a sustainable way can help to reduce waste and teach students that every drop matters. Therefore, our solution can help us to bring water in a sustainable way. Our next major challenge is energy. Like many schools and communities, we still depend on conventional sources of energy. But if we want to talk about sustainability, we need to practice it. This is why we merged with the idea of adapting this whole school into a solar power system, where we can take advantage of the whole roof and install the solar panels and make them function. Solar panels can help Villa Loyola make students learn how clean energy works in real life, and not just how it is pictured on books. There is also a serious disconnection between young people and nature. Many students do not really know where food comes from. We often consume processed products, generate waste, and forget about the soil, the land, and the natural cycles that sustain life. This is why the agroecological farm is so important, and it will be displayed in this whole area as we have a lot of space to do it. It can teach students about food, soil, responsible consumption, and sustainable usage in a practical way. Villa Loyola also has other resources that we have not fully exploited yet: the sky and the climate. With this weather station and observatory, students can be able to measure weather conditions, observe the sky, collect data, ask questions, and understand that science is not something distant. For this idea, we can be able to take these structures and convert them to an observatory or a methodological space, as these have no function right now. And finally, there's the big challenge of biodiversity. Villa Loyola has different species of trees and animals, but still, we need to understand them better. If we do not observe, register, and monitor biodiversity, it becomes harder to protect it, as we cannot care of what we do not understand. This is why Villa Loyola Living Lab is so meaningful. It is not just a project of just building systems or installing equipment. It is a project about transforming problems into real life teachings.
Lo innovador de este proyecto es que los estudiantes seremos los protagonistas. Investigaremos, recolectaremos datos y formularemos soluciones reales para nuestra comunidad. Loyola Living Lab, Water, Sustainable and Biodiversity. Este proyecto nos permitirá a nosotros como estudiantes desarrollar liderazgo y mostrar que nosotros como jóvenes podemos hacer cosas grandes.
Este proyecto beneficiará a estudiantes, familias, egresados y comunidades vecinas. También permitirá que muchas comunidades educativas visiten Villa Loyola, con el fin de aprender, investigar y compartir experiencias de sostenibilidad. Nuestro sueño es que este lugar se vuelva un referente de educación ambiental, de tal manera que podamos formar generaciones comprometidas con el cuidado de la casa común.
Proteger la biodiversidad
Y educar para la sostenibilidad,
es construir el futuro
que todos compartimos.